Hi, my name is Daniele Grandi and I'm an ARCS collaborator. Yeah, I work for AutoDesk in the AutoDesk research organization as a senior research engineer. And my background is in mechanical engineering. I got involved with Autodesk around 8 years ago. Yeah, I started collaborating with ARCS about 3 years ago. Yeah, so I studied mechanical engineering in my undergrad, and as part of that program, I spent a few classes actually teaching other students about CAD, computer-aided design. Through that process, I kind of saw people coming in and with some big ideas about designing and making things, but they were always a bit hindered by first learning how to use the tools. And so from that, that has always stuck with me. Even as I started working in Autodesk research, I was always passionate about helping people design more easily and more effectively. Over the past few years, working from a professional point of view, working in Autodesk research, there are a lot of challenges that I face on the day-to-day. I would say one of the main interesting problems is finding an interesting research question and an interesting research problem to solve. At Autodesk Research, we tackle that problem by collaborating with our customers, with industry partners, as well as academic organizations like ARCS. And by grounding our research in customer problems and working with collaborators like ARCS, we are able to go beyond that struggle of finding an interesting research problem and work together to find not just interesting solutions, but also interesting problems to solve together. Yeah, so the collaboration with ARCS started right from the top. Our CEO at Autodesk, Andrew Anagnost, was interested in fostering a collaboration with ARCS and CSUN. And at the beginning, it's always a challenge to find a common research problem to solve. We have an agenda that we want to pursue. ARCS has also an agenda that they are working through, and so it's difficult a lot of the time to align interests and collaboration interests. But the way it started out was my team came to ARCS with some data and an idea of an interesting problem to solve, and it clicked on both sides, and we were able to start working on this problem. The problem that we were trying to solve was tying back to helping people design more easily and more efficiently. We wanted to help our customers specifically choose appropriate materials in the design process. Material selection is a very lengthy and difficult process in design today, and it takes a lot of a specific skill set to choose an appropriate materials for product design, whether you're designing a car or some furniture. The choice of material is very important. And so that was the problem that we wanted to tackle and that we pitched to ARCS. We wanted to see whether we could leverage technology to help people choose an appropriate material in product design. Yeah, over the past several years, I've worked with a lot of students across the US, and one of the struggles that I see students having is that typically students have a very wide breadth of knowledge about the subject. And in industry, the problem that we try to solve tends to be very focused and very narrow. And so a lot of the time students don't have immediately that the knowledge around what this problem is and how people might solve it. So what I've found is that it's really important when working with students to have a very long discovery phase, to give them time to understand, to do the literature review and understand how companies today are solving those problems around this specific niche problem. And once they understand the problem better and have done the literature review, then that's where really the unique and creative solutions start to come out. But yeah, the initial discovery phase is very important.
Well, Spot's excited, and so are we. Hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our social media here with links in the description. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Thank you.